Hello, IK here. Welcome to React AI e-commerce full course from beginner to advanced. Lesson 4. How to install XAMPP and set up database. Download and install XAMPP. How? Ask AI. Open the project in Visual Studio Code. Open the folder eRetail Public. Open the SQL file eRetail Public /public /e_retail.sql. Set up the MySQL database e_retail.sql in phpMyAdmin. How? Ask AI. End of lesson 4. How to learn. Feynman's method. Each lesson has a single goal. Keep it simple. Break down a big, complicated program into the simplest possible parts. Simplicity helps you stay focused. You do the work, and AI guides you. When you finish, explain it out loud to an empty chair. Wherever you hesitate or mumble, that shows what you don't fully understand. Ask AI to clarify those parts. Then explain it again out loud. Repeat this process until your explanation is clear, confident, and easy to understand. Keep a learning diary. Record your progress in a blog or YouTube playlist. Okay, if you know someone who could benefit from this course, share this video with them. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, comment, and ask questions. Your support helps others learn too. Thank you for watching. But one notice about here, confident. Repeat this process until your explanation is clear, confident, and easy to understand. To whom? To some alike, to some people who don't know, who know nothing about this topic.